The journey of premium soy milk begins in the heart of nature, where vast emerald fields stretch toward the horizon under the golden morning sun. Every leaf and every stem breathes the fresh morning air, preparing the foundations for a product defined by purity, sustainability, and the richness of earth. Behold the simple beauty of a single pod, cradling the essence of life within its shell, nurtured by the morning dew and the fertile, rich soil. Inside, the beans grow dense with nutrients, capturing the sun's energy to become the perfect source of plant-based protein for a health-conscious and modern world. Dedicated farmers walk these rows daily, using generations of wisdom to ensure that only the finest, most mature crops are selected for the next crucial stage. The harvest is a labor of love, a rhythmic dance of hands that respect the land while gathering the golden bounty that nature has so graciously provided. Thousands of golden grains cascade like a river of gold, filling sacks to the brim, ready to transition from the quiet fields to the modern factory. With the harvest complete, the raw materials are carefully loaded, marking the end of the agricultural phase and the beginning of a sophisticated industrial transformation. The truck travels through the winding paths of the countryside, carrying the promise of health and vitality toward a future where technology meets traditional farming values. As the rural landscape fades, the silhouette of a state-of-the-art facility appears, where the purity of the farm meets the precision of advanced global engineering. This is the intersection of two worlds, where the raw gifts of the earth are refined through science to create a masterpiece of modern food production. The doors open to a world of absolute hygiene and discipline, where every square inch is designed to protect the integrity of the precious soybean harvest. Advanced conveyor systems take over, moving the beans with surgical precision through a series of checkpoints designed to maintain the highest standards of safety and quality. The first step is a deep, high-pressure wash, where swirling currents of purified water strip away every speck of dust, leaving only the cleanest beans behind. The intensity of the cleaning process ensures that no impurities remain, preparing the beans for their journey into the advanced stages of refined food processing. Artificial intelligence now takes the lead, scanning every single grain at incredible speeds to identify even the slightest imperfections in color, shape, or size. With lightning-fast accuracy, the system rejects any bean that fails to meet the strict criteria, ensuring that only the absolute best proceed to the next stage. Experts monitor the data in real time, overseeing a digital gatekeeper that never tires, maintaining a level of consistency that traditional methods simply cannot match. What remains is a uniform stream of perfection, a testament to the rigorous standards that define our commitment to providing only the highest quality soy products. The scale of the operation is breathtaking, yet every pipe and every valve serves a singular purpose: to preserve the natural goodness of the humble bean. Pressure and temperature are modulated with extreme care, creating the optimal environment for the beans to begin their transformation into a delicious and nutritious beverage. Ascending through transparent conduits, the beans move toward the core of the facility, where the secrets of microbiology and extraction will soon be revealed. The extraction process begins as the beans are finely ground, breaking down their structure to release the locked-in proteins and essential oils within. Combined with ultra-purified water, the essence of the soy emerges as a rich, creamy white liquid, the very foundation of the final nutritious product. The texture is silky and inviting, a result of precise mechanical shearing that ensures the particles are small enough to create a perfect mouthfeel for consumers. In the sterile quiet of the microbiology lab, the science of nutrition takes center stage, as experts analyze the molecular composition of the fresh milk. Every batch is tested for microbial purity, ensuring that the natural benefits are enhanced while any unwanted elements are completely and strictly excluded from production. Advanced chemical testing verifies the protein content and nutrient density, guaranteeing that every drop meets the high-performance standards required by modern health guidelines. Balance is everything. The pH levels and mineral content are meticulously adjusted to ensure a flavor profile that is both mild, pleasant, and highly digestible. Large-scale fermentation tanks now come into play, where modern biotechnology is used to optimize the bioavailability of the soy nutrients for the human body. This controlled process breaks down complex sugars and enhances the flavor, creating a unique profile that distinguishes our soy milk from any other in the market. Innovation is at our core. Our researchers work tirelessly to push the boundaries of food science, finding new ways to make nature's gifts even better. Multi-stage filtration then removes any remaining solids, resulting in a liquid that is as smooth as silk and purely focused on the nutritional essence. The lab is the heart of our quality promise, a place where rigorous science and a passion for health meet to create something truly extraordinary. Data-driven results show the success of our methods, with every step of the process adding measurable value to the final product for the consumer's benefit. Constant sampling at every stage of the extraction and fermentation process ensures that the quality never wavers, from the first bean to the final drop. The milk, now perfected through science, flows onward, ready for the final stages of refining where safety and shelf life are guaranteed through high-tech sterilization. We enter the refining zone, a marvel of industrial architecture where the milk undergoes a series of treatments to ensure its stability and absolute safety. Homogenization uses immense pressure to break down fat molecules, ensuring that the milk remains perfectly blended and never separates, even after months on the shelf. This process creates a consistent texture that feels luxurious on the palate, a signature characteristic of our commitment to a premium drinking experience for everyone. Next is the UHT sterilization, where the milk is heated to ultra-high temperatures for just a few seconds, a process monitored by advanced thermal imaging. This flash heating method is a technological miracle, killing all harmful bacteria while leaving the delicate vitamins and minerals of the soy completely intact and healthy. Precision is non-negotiable here. A fraction of a degree or a second too long could change the flavor, so our systems operate with absolute digital accuracy. Rapid cooling immediately follows, locking in the fresh taste and preventing any heat-related degradation of the product's natural and carefully cultivated nutritional profile. The sterilized milk is then held in aseptic buffer tanks, protected from the outside world in a vacuum environment until the very moment of packaging. Quality sensors perform a final check on density and viscosity, ensuring that every batch is an exact match for our gold standard recipe and consumer expectations. The environment is a closed-loop system, meaning the milk never touches the open air, preserving its purity from the lab to the final sealed container. While the system is automated, the human element remains vital, with highly trained technicians overseeing every shift to ensure the machines perform at their peak. The scale of production is matched only by the speed of our innovation, allowing us to bring healthy options to millions of people without compromising on quality. Every joint, every weld, and every seal in this factory is designed for longevity and hygiene, reflecting our long-term commitment to food safety and excellence. Our facility is fully integrated into the Internet of Things, allowing for constant optimization and predictive maintenance that ensures we never miss a beat. Now perfectly refined and sterile, the milk makes its final journey toward the packaging hall, where it will be sealed away in its protective shell. The packaging process is a marvel of speed and geometry, as flat materials are instantly transformed into the familiar shapes that will soon sit in your fridge. Before a single drop of milk enters, every container is sterilized with powerful ultraviolet light, ensuring that the interior is a perfectly aseptic environment. The filling process happens in a nitrogen-flushed chamber, removing all oxygen to prevent oxidation and keep the milk tasting as fresh as the day it was made. A hermetic seal is applied instantly, creating an unbreakable barrier against the outside world, locking in the nutrients and the natural, creamy flavor of the soy. Robotic arms move with a grace that seems almost human, handling the finished products with care and placing them into the next stage of the journey. Labels are applied with millimetric precision, carrying the brand's identity and the nutritional information that empowers consumers to make healthy, informed choices for their families. Every single item is marked with a unique code, providing full traceability from the specific farm the beans came from to the exact second it was packaged. The sheer volume of production is a testament to the growing global demand for healthy, sustainable, and technologically advanced plant-based food and beverage solutions. Human oversight remains the final line of defense, with random inspections ensuring that every mechanical process is operating within our rigorous quality parameters. X-ray technology scans every finished package, guaranteeing that only the pure, liquid gold of our soy milk reaches the hands of our valued customers. Every lid is tightened to the perfect torque, ensuring that the first time it is opened is by the consumer, releasing that fresh, authentic aroma. As boxes are filled and stacked, the scale of the distribution network becomes clear, ready to ship this vital nutrition to every corner of the country. Secured for transport, these products are now ready to leave the sterile environment and begin their final journey to the shelves of your favorite store. Efficiency defines the final steps, ensuring that the time from the factory floor to the consumer's table is as short as possible for maximum freshness.
Yes,
With
please,
the logo
that's
of quality
perfect.
displayed proudly,
Thanks,
the
Dad.
journey from the soil to the soul is almost complete,
I told
bringing
you this
nature's best
filtration
to your
system
modern
was worth
lifestyle.
it.
The moment of truth
It's
arrives.
delicious, honey.
Witness the
Cheers.
smooth, creamy pour that represents weeks of careful cultivation and hours of advanced, meticulous processing. In homes across the world, our soy milk becomes a part of the daily ritual, providing the
beautiful, isn't
energy
it?
and nutrients needed for a vibrant,
A
healthy
perfect
life.
evening. Cheers,
Versatile and
everyone.
delicious, it blends perfectly with your favorite beverages, enhancing the flavor while adding the protein power of the high-quality, natural soybean. This is the story of a perfect circle, where the ancient wisdom of the earth is respected and amplified by the incredible power of modern technology. The greatest reward is the smile of a satisfied consumer, knowing that they are fueling their body with the very best that nature and science offer. As the sun sets on the facility, the cycle continues, with a new day's harvest already preparing to undergo this incredible, life-changing industrial transformation. From the soil to the glass, our soy milk is a promise kept,